I am really excited about this unboxing. Let's discover together the Segway Drift W1. They are electric roller skates hover shoes, so it is two different shoes instead of one hoverboard. Let's open the box. So you have the user guide first, then you will have the beautiful Drift W1. You also have the cord to charge it, and then you have the charger, and that's it. It is really easy, very minimal, and it goes right to the essential. Each single e-skate weighs 7.7 pounds but can carry a max payload of 220 pounds. So as you can see, there is no band to attach your foot on the platform. So you are just going to place your feet on the platforms, and whenever you don't want to be on the skate anymore, let's say you lose your balance, you can just hop off very quickly. This is actually safer than being strapped to the roller skates. The maximum speed you will be able to go is 7.5 miles per hour. We recommend using a helmet, as you might lose your balance, especially at first when you get to discover your e-skates. You have some elastic bands at the bottom, so you can easily carry your e-skates in one hand. So let's go ahead. Let's unbox the charger and cables, and then we are going to charge them and see how to use them. When the charger is correctly plugged, you are going to see the green light, and then you just plug the cable into the Segway e-skates. And as you can see, you have the green light indicating that they are charging, and then you wait. This is how they are going to look like while they are charging. And the fun thing is that when you will turn them on, they have cool RGB lights. And here you can see my husband trying them on for the first time. We really recommend wearing a helmet. There is a learning curve, but it is so much fun. They are really easy to understand. This is how you turn them on. You just press the on and off button, and then you are going to balance them on the wheel. And once they are turned on, they are going to stay balanced. And then I am going to show you how sensitive they are to any pressure. So this is what is making it so much fun to use, because they are going to respond to your movements. But this is the reason why there is a little bit of a learning curve at the beginning, because they are so sensitive to any pressure. Now, the great thing with having two different e-skates instead of one hoverboard is that it will be easier to turn, as you can use one foot to turn and turn around your other foot who stays in place. This is going to help you have a wider range of movement. Now remember, they are not like actual roller skates. You will need to leave your both feet on the skate at all times, and you can't lift one foot. And now go have fun with your Segway Drift W1.